and today I'll be presenting on my final project, which is called Alex Store. So basically, this is a project that I decided to build for my father based on the knowledge that I got in web tech, because it is something that we've been talking about for a while now. So let me just dive straight into the presentation. Joshua Uso-Ansah is working on a data-driven website to help his father solve the problem of not being able to track the type of goods that move at a very fast rate at a shop, as well as know the available goods and the total revenue that he generates in a particular month. Well, there are more functionalities to the web application, but I'll talk more about it when I'm doing the demo. So before going into the development of the web application, I decided to design a low fidelity prototype as to how the web page, the web application will look like. So I had a couple of conversations with my dad, and we reiterated on the low fidelity prototype, and we sort of landed on this final prototype, which basically shows how the web application will look like. So for the problem that this web application is trying to solve, is it will help my father know the goods that move at a very faster rate and these other functionalities. But I'll talk more about it when I'm doing the demo. For the users of the web application, the organization that will make use of this web application is called Asiawusu Motors. They deal in the selling of car spare parts, and it is categorized by people who have graduated from senior high school. The purpose of Asiawusu Motors is to be the leading organization when it comes to the dealings in car spare parts in Africa. So these are the functionalities. I'll talk more about it when I'm doing the demo. For my architecture, for the presentation view, I use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the backend, I use PHP, and for the database, I use MySQL. So let me just dive straight into the demo, and we'll take it up from there. Okay, so this web application has two sides. That is the admin dashboard and the workers dashboard. The admin dashboard can be accessed by only the admin, and the workers dashboard can be accessed by only workers. But before a worker can access the workers dashboard, my father would have to create a user details for them. And I sort of picked this inspiration from Ashesi. When we came to our freshman year, they gave us our Outlook details, and we went to Outlook and sort of reset the password. So I'm using the same methodology here. When my father gives you your details, you can come here, use the forgot password button, and sort of reset your password. But before doing that, let me go to the admin dashboard and sort of show some of the functionalities. So my father is the admin, and he's the only person that can access this admin dashboard. And these are his details. When I click on login, it logs me into the admin dashboard. And he can create a new user, delete a user, view all goods. And these are some of the functionalities you can see from here. But let me go to create a new user. So in creating a new user, you need a username. I'll use Gideon Bonsu, my good friend. And for the email, I'll use Owusu JA, this email. But I would want to test some validation. So I would wrongly impute the email. This is supposed to take 4, but I'll only put 2. It's supposed to take 4 numbers, but I'll put 2. The status is a user. The date of birth, I'll go for this. Then the password, I'll just impute anything, just to show that the validations are working. So we can see from here that a number of validations have been thrown, and the user would have to do it accordingly. So now let me fill it with appropriate information. This one should change to, let's see, Gideon. Then for the date of birth, come here, choose. So this time around, I'll use a correct password. Okay, so this validation also checked. Let me input the correct details. There you go. So we've been successful in creating a user. So I go back to my father, the admin dashboard where you can delete a user, view all available goods and other things. But because of time, so view remaining goods here, they can see the remaining goods that they have as well as the number. If they've gone for more, they can sort of update the number that is here. Let's say I can change this one to 1,000, click on update. It tells me that it has been successfully updated. I go to previous page, then I should see the number change. So the number has sort of changed here. Let me go back to the dashboard. And here they can see the total revenue they've made in a particular year. Also, they can see they can track their sales from here. Their sales in the month of September. So this is a bit about the admin view. Let me go to the user view. So before going to the user view, maybe I would want to reset the password first. And for doing the reset, I'm using some automatic email sender plugin. And when I do it on this server, it doesn't work. So I'll demonstrate it on my local host. When I come on reset password, I have to input my email here, then click on recover my password. So an email has been sent to my email account of which I would have to check. So when I come here and I click here, I can see hello there, please reset your password. I click on this, it brings me here, then I can reset my password here. So I'm trying to reset my password. So the password has successfully been reset. So I can come to the login. So I'll continue on my server. And I'll try to log in from here. So I'm logging into this one. So now I log in with the new password I've done. I changed to. So this is the workers dashboard. They can preview stock and previous stock. They can go to the selling dashboard. And basically the selling dashboard is where they input things when somebody comes to buy something. So they input the product name, the quantity the person bought, the price of the product, the ID of the person who sold it, and the date that transaction was made. Also, you can view current available goods from this tab. And basically, this is my work. I wish I had more time to sort of really go through more of the functionalities of this project. But I think I have some time, so I'll go to the previous stock. And when you come here, they will see the names of the stock that they had, as well as their initial stock, right? So I'll end my presentation here. Thank you very much. Please, if you have any feedback, I would welcome it, because this is actually a project that I'm working on for my father, and your feedback will really help me. Thank you very much. Once again, my name is Joshua Wiswansa. Bye.